Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing BodyHealth PerfectAmino, which claims to be the ultimate amino acid blend for muscle growth and recovery. We tested it as part of our training routine to see if it lives up to the hype. PerfectAmino provides essential amino acids in the right ratios for absorption. After workouts, we notice faster recovery, less soreness, and more endurance during training. It definitely felt supportive for athletic performance. The pros are that it supports lean muscle growth, helps reduce fatigue, and absorbs quickly without heavy digestion. The cons are that it's pricey, the taste isn't great, and it doesn't replace a protein-rich diet. It's a supplement, not a full solution. Overall, BodyHealth PerfectAmino is solid for athletes and active people who want an edge in recovery and endurance. For casual users, it may not feel as essential. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam Free.